Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear air spring designed for the Fiat Scudo, Peugeot Expert, and Citroën Jumpy. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, as outlined in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, raise the vehicle. Then, deflate the applicable air spring using a diagnostic scan tool. Disconnect the airline from the air spring by pushing the collet on the fitting inward and pulling the airline out. Gently push the lower piston upward and rotate the air spring a quarter turn to disengage it from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Install the new Arnott Air Spring in its delivered, compressed state. Do so by positioning the upper mount and rotating the spring a quarter turn. Then guide the lower piston into its seat on the control arm. Now, remove the shipping pin from the air spring and insert the airline into the spring. Then, slowly lower the car until the lower piston is fully seated on the control arm. Use a diagnostic scan tool to inflate the air spring, ensuring the top and bottom mounts are properly seated. Lower the vehicle completely to finish the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott rear air spring. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.